Hi my love, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you this super easy hairstyle that you can create in minutes and it will look elegant and modern at the same time. So begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then you want to select our crown section and make with it a ponytail. Hold it with one hand first, and with another one pull your hair to make your crown bigger and voluminous. Then you want to select one side of the parting, twist it lightly and leave some hair out, and taking a small section underneath created already ponytail, you want to tie it, make a topsy tail and fan it out again, making sure it's nice and tight. And then you want to grab this section from another side of the parting and bring it backwards, twist it a little bit, and then you want to grab another small section, tie them both together creating a topsy tail. Of course, tug on the edges. At this point you want to grab half of your hair and tie it with a clear elastic very loosely. Then you want to tug on the edges of the created ponytail. Then you want to twist it and pin it in place at the base of the elastic, like so. And then grabbing the rest of the hair, you want to tie again an elastic, and then you want to tug on the edges of created ponytail. Then you want to twist it and pin it at the base of the elastic. Of course, you can crisscross bobby pins to feel them secure. Then you want to grab the ends, twist it and tuck it into the bun. If you need to adjust your hairstyle, you can use some grips. You want to spray it and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this super easy updo. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye. Compensating for the moments that I spilled. Wish I could